Sainas here on Mirror Now. Let's begin the broadcast by telling you how the constituent parties of the India bloc are expecting to put up a massive show of strength today in Jharkhand at the scheduled rally in Ranchi as the country approaches the remaining 6 phases of the Lok Sabha polls. Now, leaders from 14 political parties, including Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, Lalu Prasad Yadav, Farooq Abdullah, Akhilesh Yadav and Sunita Kejriwal, wife of CM Arvind Kejriwal, will participate in opposition India bloc's Ulgulan Nyay rally. While Priyanka Chaturvedi will be representing the Uddhav Sena's faction. Now, led by Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, the rally will be held in Jharkhand capital's Prabhat Tara ground.
What is left of the India alliance is the question. It is their prerogative if they want to come together in this rally, but the point is that the people have rejected them, and those that pretended to be corruption-free have been proven to be the most corrupt. On the other hand, you have a Prime Minister and Prime Minister Modi that has worked tirelessly to ensure that 60 crore Labhartis have benefited to schemes, and not through theatrics and optics, but through hard work and diligence. And as our Prime Minister says, he's not interested in just making headlines like the India Alliance is interested in. He is interested in deadlines and living up to that commitment.
Preparations are underway for the mega rally here, which is organized by the India bloc parties here in the state of Jharkhand. We are reporting live from Ranchi, and you can see that the preparations are underway. Now, this rally has been called the Ulgulan rally, which means the uprising Nyay rally. Now, in this rally, several leaders of the opposition parties, be it Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Tejasvi Yadav and several other leaders. Now, from the Aam Aadmi Party, it will be Sunita Kejriwal who would be representing the Aam Aadmi Party, along with Sanjay Singh, who would be present out here. Now, the main focus of the rally would be on two sitting chief ministers who have been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate, and both of them are in judicial custody. You can see the huge cutout of Arvind Kejriwal on the left side, and on the right side it is the former Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Hemant Soren, whose cutout has been put out. Now, both of their wives are expected to address the public out here. Now, the main focus of the rally would be to target the central government over the misuse of the central agencies, and as the opposition leaders has been continuously telling that the central government has failed to deliver on its promises.